Hi, I'm Holly Landez, and I wanted to tell you about the amazing tool, NotebookLM, your AI powered teaching assistant. It's going to save you so much time because you can use it to upload your own curated resources and use it to help you plan lessons, create resources, explore your curriculum. You can upload up to 50 resources, and it can help you ask questions about your curriculum, generate lesson materials and activities. You can summarize lengthy documents quickly, and it's going to save you a lot of time. You can upload things like your curriculum guides, your TEKs, various PDFs. You can pull in Google Docs from your Google Drive. You can link to websites and slides and YouTube videos. You can chat with that notebook to get more information like summarizing a unit or helping create a lesson outline. You can generate discussion questions. You can ask it to explain something in a bite-sized format. My favorite prompt is tell me more about whatever topic it is I want to explore a little bit more deeply. And then the cool factor is that you can use based on your curated resources, you can have it create flashcards, quizzes, explainer videos, infographics, podcasts, and data tables. Let's take a look and see how it works. You can get to NotebookLM by going to notebooklm.google.com, or you can click on your Google Apps waffle. It will be in there, and you can click on create new. And first you're prompted to upload resources. I think it's a good rule of thumb to X that away and name your notebook so that you don't end up with a bunch of untitled notebooks. But once you're here, you can paste links in there. You can upload files. You can have it search for resources, but I would encourage you to use your curated resources so that if you're using things with students, you know exactly what's in there. You can pull in things from your Google Drive and copy text. There's all kinds of file types that are supported, so you can upload all of this type of content. The notebook is divided into 3 sections. You have room for your 50 sources here. And what I really like is that it shows you how many. I'll show you on the other one that it keeps track of how many you have so you don't lose track. You can customize the look of this by uploading a picture or putting a color on there. Once you have content in this once you have some resources here, it's going to give you a little summary of your content there, and this is the area where you can chat with the AI tool to ask it some questions, and this is where the magic happens. You can create an audio overview, which is like a podcast because there's 2 people talking, and the video overview is very nice. You can create slide decks, mind maps, flashcards. I really love the infographics, and I love making the quizzes. Just a reminder that these quizzes are not connected to your LMS or gradebook in any way, but it is still a very powerful teaching tool. So once you have your curated resources, you can use all of them to create things, or you can select just one. I'm going to select this one and create a slide deck. But while that's happening, I'll show you a little bit of some of the things that I've already created, like the quiz. And so it'll show you how many questions are in the quiz. And once you choose an answer, it will tell you whether it's right or wrong. This here tells you we're on 2 out of 10. What occurred on this on October 2nd, 1835. I did not get it right, but it showed me what was wrong. I love that. And I can give feedback because, just a reminder, this is an AI tool, this is artificial intelligence. And so we've got to take all of that with a grain of salt. Now, in this area, we must verify before we use with students, right? Now, in this area, this is where you can chat and you can ask more about. So I could say, tell me more about Sam Houston. Hopefully, I've got some good information about Sam Houston in there. And it takes a minute, depending on what it's creating or generating for you. It can take some time, but then it gives you some suggested questions that you can ask here. And you can generate and you can give feedback on whether that is reliable content or not. I'm so hopeful that you'll be able to use this with your students, and I'm hopeful that it will save you time. And I want to encourage you to give it a shot. And if you want some help, please feel free to reach out. And I hope I'll see you soon.